Also activate Capital One credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your preferred browser. Click search bar, type in activate Capital One credit card and hit enter on your keyboard. You will land on the results section. Click the first link of Capital One. You will reach on the official interface of Capital One where you will see the sign in button at top right. Click on it. And now here you got the sign in section. In order to activate your credit card online, click on Set up online access. Now here you simply need to enter your personal details, your last name, social security number or ITIN, and date of birth. Instead of SSN, you can even use bank account number and then click on Get Started. You can follow the on-screen prompts and then easily activate your Capital One credit card online. That's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.